Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So if you don't know, my name is Venny and this is Venny Vlogs, and today we're going to do a mukbang. Okay, so we're going to do a mukbang because we're going to celebrate 10,000 subscribers. Okay, so something special for this channel. Can't believe I've reached 10,000 subscribers, and it wouldn't be possible without the help of you guys. So and your guys' support, so thank you so much. So special shout out to everyone who's watching this right now. So we're gonna dig into this. Thought we'll do a sushi train mukbang. Okay, sushi train mukbang. So let's get straight into it. Before we start, we'll just say a quick word of prayer and then we'll eat. Okay, close your eyes, bow your heads. Dear Lord, thank you for this time together. I pray that you'll bless the food, bless the ones who prepared it, and thank you that we've reached this milestone on YouTube. Continue to bless those who are watching this and viewing this channel in your name. Amen. Okay guys, I'm so excited. So stay tuned, because after this, once we've done this mukbang, I'll just introduce I'll let you know how to enter our 10,000 subscriber giveaway. Okay, so the details will be at the end of this mukbang. Alright, so stay tuned. Like I said, I was on Uber Eats. We'll just open this first. So who of you guys had sushi train? Everyone has had sushi train, eh? Just close that. So yeah, I'll just introduce our sushi platter. So we've got salmon, and we've got chicken and avocado. Got this roll over here, I'm not too sure what that is. Fish eggs. We've got avocado and fish here. We got rice. We've got tempura. What are these? Some little sauces or some sort. And then we've got some tuna and onion. We've got raw salmon and avocado. We've got egg. And these sushis are hot. Literally, you recognize all of them, but I don't know the names. Sashimi, the salmon one. So yeah, let's begin. Oh, I also got my Japanese mayo, and also the ginger. Gotta have your wasabi, soy sauce. Then I thought I'd order some dessert as well from Sushi Train. So you got chocolate mousse, and you've got blueberry cheesecake. Yum! And then just to wash it down, we've got melon and strawberry drink. So I don't know what they're called, but that's what they look like. You can see that one and that one. Alright. Oh man. Honestly, this reminds me of like Sass ASMR, because I watch Sass ASMR. If you don't know who that is, it's a mukbang ASMR artist. And man, the way she eats food, makes me so hungry. So yeah, let's begin. Let's start with this one. Oh, yum. Oh, that was chicken. Oh man, that salmon and avocado, so good. Try the small avocado one. Some Japanese mayo and ginger. Okay, egg, rice. And I haven't had sushi since COVID-19 started. You guys believe that? Man, what do you guys think of coronavirus? Crazy, eh? Literally done its damage to our world. Crazy. Avocado. Fish. Tempura fish. You guys are enjoying this? Grab some food or something and eat with me. So good. Okay. Have some ginger. That one I just ate, it's kind of like fish and chips. Fish. Deep fried fish with rice and avocado. Quite good. Get some wasabi. I'm not a fan of wasabi, but hey, it's sushi. Might as well. Another chicken avocado. You guys know what these are? Must be some extra. Oh, they're quite tiny. You guys know what these sauces are? Whoa. Okay. I'm gonna try it with this one because it can fit. I think it's like a curry sauce. And taste that. Oh. Whoa. Oh my gosh, that's so spicy. Okay guys, this right here is the spicy sauce. I don't know what that is. Some spicy sauce, but oh. Okay guys, we're gonna drink now. I'm gonna open the drink. Okay, see this? So this is how you open this. Okay. Honestly, this is so fun. Okay, so I'm gonna open it now. Okay. Try to open it. Yeah. No. Are you supposed to open it like that? Woo! Oh! Okay. Now we know what that does. So that literally just sprayed in my face. This is what it looks like. So that's the Japanese melon. Was it strawberry lemonade? Lemonade. That's what that said on the menu. Strawberry lemonade. Oh, so good. Okay, back to this. Okay, we haven't finished this, guys. You gotta help me finish it. Far out. Okay, tuna. I think it's tuna and onion on rice. Okay. Try it with the Japanese mayo. Need some ginger with that. So good. Oh, let's try this one, eh? What was your guys' favorite thing about lockdown? Eh? That was nice. So what was your guys' favorite thing about lockdown? I think mine would be actually I don't know, to be honest. Now my favorite thing was to spend more time with my grandparents and Ben. But it's like, it's almost gone to the opposite side of things. So I used to just work out the week and not see them, to now, oh my gosh, seeing them every day, because I'm working from home, FYI. One of my favorites, sashimi. Let's try this special one, eh? It's like raw fish, avocado, and rice. Really nice. Okay, I'm gonna try this one, eh? I think it's like a... Ooh. A smoky sesame oil. Sashimi. Beautiful. I used to not like the sushi train, but after COVID, I thought, no, gotta have some sushi, because I haven't had sushi in ages. But yeah, how was your guys' lockdown? Hope you guys are keeping your guys' families well entertained. I remember I used to work at, when I used to work at Victoria University in Wellington, there's a place there everyone knows, Makimono. Mount strawberry lemonade. Bit of ASMR for you guys. I just saw that that Melbourne here in Australia, Victoria, their cases of COVID-19 have gone up. Far out, man. We were doing so well too. But if you don't know, here in Australia, it's sort of like a all over the place situation at the moment. So one of our states here is called Victoria, where Melbourne is. All our Melbourne, shout out to all our Melbourne YouTubers and viewers out there. They've just found that there's been an increase of cases. So there's been an increase of cases in the past week or so. And one of them, they found out, was working at Coles. Man. Just do your part, guys. Keep your social distancing up. Make sure you wash your hands all the time. You know, sanitize. All our social media influencers that are doing their part in just encouraging the youth nowadays to just stop the violence and to just, you know, we can't afford to lose any more lives. So, you know, just be safe, guys, and make smart decisions in life. You don't want to be tearing each other down. Because if we do that, there'll be none of us left. You know what they say, an eye for an eye makes the world go blind. So be the bigger person and just put an end to it. Serious talk, guys. Serious talk. Chocolate mousse. Who would have thought Sushi Chain had desserts? Oh, that is good. Rich cocoa mousse flavor, layered with moist chocolate cake, and then more mousse at the bottom. Such a simple dessert, full of flavor. Full of flavor. Wow, this is so good. It's amazing. We got blueberry cheesecake. Yum! Oh, this looks good. Okay, let's try it, eh? Okay, we've got blueberry jelly up top with blueberries, cheesecake layer, a biscuit, cake layer, and some more cheesecake. Wow, it's definitely a cheesecake. I'm gonna do a special shout out. So special shout out to the Funaki family. Shout out to you guys. Been watching your guys' vlogs. Keep up the great content. Also shout out to Baby Cavani. So shout out to Baby Cavani. So Hats Tara Vlogs. Shout out to all the family there in Auckland. Good to see Bubba's home now. So shout out to you, Cavani. Also shout out to Gina Wati. So Gina Wati. And the Lot Makua says hello too. And shout out to the MIKA family as well. MIKA family. Shout out to Bernie Sami by Instagram. Shout out to you. Island Girl Waves. Shout out to Island Girl Waves. Awesome content. Please check out her channel on Instagram. And don't forget to follow her page, sorry. And lastly but not least, Messina Samoa. So they've started to upload YouTube videos. So please check them out. Their content is amazing. It's all got to do with Samoan culture, cultural concepts, you know, and education. So please check out their channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like their videos as well. So now we're going to do our 10,000 subscriber giveaway. Okay, so here are the details. Old school, I did my paper. Okay guys, what you need to do to enter is like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe, and be sure you enter this draw. So in the comment section below, what you need to do, you need to firstly mention what your favorite dish, Pacific Island or not, is. Okay, right, your favorite dish you like to eat. Secondly, you have to state what country you're from, or what you know, what state you're from. And thirdly, mention what type of voucher. So here are the following vouchers I'm going to be giving away. Okay, so there'll be 3 main winners, and each will have a $100 voucher. Okay, so if you're a winner, I'll see what voucher you wanted, and that's your prize. Okay, so you got So there'll be 3 $100 vouchers. So you got a choice of Kmart voucher, Aldi voucher, or Kohl's voucher. Okay, so those are the 3 main subscriber giveaways, prizes that I'll be doing on this channel. If you're from New Zealand, you can also enter this draw as well. So you have $100 countdown voucher or $100 pack and save voucher. Okay, so if you're from New Zealand, write down which. So the 3 you have to have on your comment below is your favorite food, where you're from, and what type of voucher you want. Okay, so if you're Australia, it's Aldi, Kmart, or Kohl's. If it's New Zealand, it's Countdown or Pack and Save. Each worth $100, and there'll be 3 up for grabs. Okay, and I'm going to be drawing this Sunday. Okay, so I'll be drawing we'll find out the 3 winners for this 10,000 subscriber giveaway this Sunday, and I might pop in another, you know, bonus prize, but we'll wait and see. Okay, so stay tuned for that. This Sunday I'll be releasing a new vlog, and if you're entering via Instagram, I will put up a photo of this, a snippet of this mukbang as well, and you can enter via there as well. Okay, so 3 main prizes, 3 prizes up for grabs, 3 winners from Australia and New Zealand. In America, well, for now we're just gonna have to figure it out because coronavirus is gonna delay our postage and handling, and I don't know if I can handle that. Then I don't want to delay, you know, delivering your prize to you guys, and I'll try to figure out a way to pay an online voucher for Walmart. I don't know, but yeah, for now, apologies to our Inga and our family in the States. Yeah, we'll have to hold off for now, but this draw, this prize giving applies to all those in New Zealand and in Australia. Okay, but yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned because I'm going to be uploading some more cooking vlogs as well. We'll incorporate some mukbangs along the way, and as well as some interviews with grandma, and we'll keep them vlogs coming. Okay, thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for being the best family on YouTube, for tuning in all the time and watching these vlogs. And stay tuned. And also please check out all our PolyTube family, the new PolyTubers out there. Shout out to you guys. Don't forget to check them out, subscribe. Have a good time, have a good week, guys, and we'll see you on Sunday. Bye.